morning, dear students. Today we will start our exercise 5.c. This chapter is based on cross multiplication method. This cross multiplication method is very easy. So first question says, question number 8 is given. Applying cross multiplication method, solve. So number 1, it is given our equation. Two equations are given. First equation is our x plus 2y is equal to 5. And second equation is equal to our 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. For cross multiplication, our three things needed, our a, b and c. So here a, b, c means our x and y, and this one our constant number is our 1. So these three things we need to find out. If it is our in our right hand side any number, so this one we need to shift in our left hand side. So whatever given our equation number, this one we will write first. Equation number 1. This is our equation number 1, x plus 2y is equal to 5. Now see, in our left hand side of this equation, two terms are there, x plus 2y. And right hand side our only one term, this one 5. This 5 is our positive. Before it is no sign means it is our positive. Now what we need to do, this 5 1, it is right side. This one we need to shift in our left hand side. So it will be our minus 5. So we get our three terms here, a, b and c. Similarly in second equation also we will do like this. For second equation it is our given 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. So 8 1 we need to shift in our left hand side. So it will be our minus 8. Now we got our this equation and this equation, two equation. From equation number 1, x value is equal to our what? Before x, coefficient is equal to our nothing given, only x. Coefficient before nothing there means our 1. And before this x, positive, negative, nothing given, that means it is our positive. So x value is equal to our plus 1. And y is equal to our what? C. Before y, coefficient is equal to our 2. So before it is our plus sign, so it will be our plus 2. And our number 1, constant 1 is our what? Minus 5. So constant will be our minus 5. Now from equation number 2 we need to find out. Equation number 2, x it is equal to our 2. Coefficient is our 2. Y coefficient is equal to our minus 3. And constant is equal to our minus 8. Now we will apply our cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method, first of all we need to write like this, x then is equal to y divided by, then is equal to our 1 divided by. So x value, when we need to find out x value, that time this x one will omit, will cross this one. Now top 1 into down 1, 2 into minus 8, see 2 into minus 8. Then down 1 into top 1, down 1 into top 1, down it is our minus 3 into our minus 5. So minus 3 into minus 5. In between these two pairs, one pair and two pair, between will be our minus sign. Now y value, y time same as like before 1, y will omit. Now this one not from 1 top to down will not go. This one will go from down to top. So down is our 2, top is our minus 5. So 2 into minus 5. Then top to down, 1 into minus 8. In between minus sign. In between will be our minus sign. Between these two pairs, in between will be our minus sign. Now 1 1, this one we need to find out. For this reason this one will omit. Now this one same like before, x1, top 1 into down 1, 1 into minus 3, then minus sign, then will be our down 1 into top 1. So down is our 2, here it is our 2. So 2 into 2. Now we multiply this one. So minus 8 into 2 will be our minus 16, and here you will see minus minus minus, 3 times minus are there. So minus minus plus, and plus minus will be our minus, and 3 into 5 15. This one minus 5 into 2 will be our minus 10, and here minus, here also minus, so minus minus will be our plus, 8 into 1 8. This one will be our 3 into 1 3, and plus minus minus. This one only minus, so minus will be remain, and 2 into 2 will be 4. Now we'll minus minus our plus, we know this one, but sign will be our minus. So minus 15 and 16 will be minus 16 will be our minus 31. Minus 10 plus our 8 will be our minus 2. Both our minus, so minus minus plus, minus will be our 7. Now we need to find out x value, because all our equal. See, x divided by minus 31 equal our y divided by minus 2 equal our 1 divided by minus 7. All our equal, that means this one into this one we are able to write. So we are able to get the x value. So x divided by minus 31 is equal to will be our 1 divided by minus 7. So both sides see minus minus is there. So minus minus will be cancelled. Now directly I did this one. If we are not able to do, so see how to do. X divided by our 31 will be our is equal to will be our 1 divided by 7. because minus minus already cancelled, both side minus minus is there. Now cross multiplication will do, will be our 7x is equal to will be our 31. Therefore x value will be our 31 divided by 7. So directly I have written here. So you also able to write directly this one, minus minus will be cancelled. Then x down 1 will be top and this one down to down, same will be remain. Similarly this one also, y value also, minus minus will be our cancelled, then it will be our 2 divided by will be 7. Therefore the required solution is x is equal to 31 by 7 and y is equal to our 2 divided by 7. Now we will do next number. Question number 2, 3, 4 will be homework because this one similar to question number 1. Now we will do, which one will solve now? Question number 5. So question number 5, first equation it is given, let's see, it is very easy. X plus ay, x plus our ay is equal to 1. Means this one we need to bring, that means shift to our left hand side, so it will be our minus 1. So we got this one, x plus ay minus 1 is equal to 0. Similarly this one also, ax minus y is equal to 3. So this 3 is our right hand side, this one we need to shift to our left hand side, so it will be our minus 3. Now like before one, need to find out x value. So x here coefficient is nothing, means our 1. Then next one will be our y coefficient is equal to our a, so a will be it is, and constant one will be our minus 1. So this one is our minus 1. Similarly second equation also, x coefficient is our a, so a, y coefficient nothing is there, that means our minus 1, because here it is minus there, so minus, and constant one is our minus 3. Now we apply our cross multiplication method. So we know this one method is our x time will omit x and top one down one. So a into minus 3, a into minus 3. Then in middle we need to give minus sign. Then will be our down 1 into top 1. Down also minus 1, top also minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1. Now y time y1 will omit. Then down 1 into top 1. Down it is our a, top is our minus 1. So a into minus 1. Then minus sign. Then will be our top 1 into down 1. Top it is our 1, into will be our minus 3. Now one time will omit 1 1. Then will be our top 1 down 1, so 1 into minus 1, then minus sign, then down 1 into top 1, so a into a. Now we multiply this one. If we multiply, it will be our minus 3a. Minus minus plus and plus minus will be our minus, and 1 into 1, 1 only. Similarly this part also, a into minus 1, minus a. Minus here also minus, so minus minus will be our plus, and 3 into 1, 3. This portion is our minus 1 plus 1, so plus minus minus 1, and here a into a, that means a square. Now x value need to find out, more we are not able to do, so x is equal to this one. Now we'll take minus as our common. If we take minus as our common, so it will be our minus, we are taking common, there minus is we took common, so it will be remain our 3a, and minus minus this one will be our plus 1 is equal to this part also, we will take minus as our common, so a square, this one we are writing first, so a square, then will be our plus 1, because minus minus plus 1. Now both side minus minus will be cancelled. Therefore x will be our, this portion will be our top and this one will be our down, because cross multiplication we are getting this one directly we are writing, one line we are not increasing here, and mode reduce we are not able to do, so here only it is finished. And y value will be our, see, y is equal to our given minus a plus 3 is equal to our, this part will write, this part, y divided by minus a plus 3 is equal to our 1 divided by minus 1 minus a square. Now like before 1 will take minus s common, so it will be our a, this one will be our minus will take common, so a will be our positive, and this one plus there, so it will be our plus minus minus. Similarly here also minus minus, so minus will take common, so first we will write a1 a square 1, so s square, because it minus, so minus now will be plus, and minus 1, this one also will be our plus, because minus minus plus. Now from both sides minus minus will be our omit, then this portion a minus 3 will be our numerator, and a square plus 1 will be our denominator. Here only it is finished, more reduce we are not able to do. Therefore the required solution is x is equal to our 3a plus 1 divided by our a square plus 1, and y is equal to will be our a minus 3 divided by our a square plus 1. Question number 8. Question number 8, equation number 1 it is given 1 by 2 into x minus y is equal to our 1. This one is equation number 1. And this one is our 8 divided by x plus y is equal to our 1, it is our equation number 2. So it is not so difficult, it is very easy. So this one see x into our x minus y is equal to our 1. So this portion will take like this. So it will be our x minus y. If we multiply 1 into this one, so same to same will be remain our x minus y is equal to our 1. Now cross multiplication. So down 1 it is our 1 also, 1 only, because all whole number it is a denominator 1 is there, is common. So cross multiplication, so it will be our x minus y into will be our 1 is equal to will be 2 into 1, so 2. So we are getting this one cross multiplication. Now this 2 1 will shift in our left hand side, so it will be our minus 2. Similarly second one directly it is given, so cross multiplication will do x plus y into will be our 1 and 8 divided by here down 1 is there, so 8 into 1 is equal to our 8. Now this 8 1 will shift in our left hand side, so it will be our minus 8. Now like before 1 we need to find out the values. So first from the equation 1, this one equation number 1 and equation number 2. So x coefficient is nothing there, so it is our plus 1. This y coefficient is equal to our nothing there, and before it is minus, so minus 1. And constant will be our minus 2. From here, from equation number 2, x coefficient nothing and positive sign, so it will be our plus 1. Y coefficient also same, before nothing there and plus sign, so it will be our plus 1. And constant will be our minus 8, because minus before there, so it will be our minus 8. Now we will apply our cross multiplication method. So x will be our minus 1 into minus 8, in between will be our minus sign, and 1 into will be our, 1 minute. So minus 1 into minus 8, in between will be our minus 1, in will be our 1 into our minus 2. How see this one? X time x1 we are omitting, so minus 1 into this one, minus 1 into our minus 8, and down 1 into top 1, so 1 into minus 2. Y time y1 will omit, and down 1 top 1, down it is our 1 and top is our minus 2, so 1 into minus 2, then top 1 into our down 1, so 1 into minus 8, in between minus sign. 1 time this one will omit, so top 1 down 1, so 1 into 1, then down 1 into top 1, 1, it's minus 1, so 1 into minus 1. Now we'll multiply this one, so minus minus plus, 8 into 1 8, here also minus this one also our minus, this one also our minus, so minus minus will be our plus, and 2 into 1 will be our 2. This one see minus and plus, so plus minus minus, 2 into 1 2, and minus minus will be our plus, 8 into 1 8, 1 into 1 1, and minus minus plus, 1 into 1 1 only. Now we'll add 8 plus 2 10, minus 2 plus 8 will be our plus 6, and 1 plus 1 is equal to our 2. Therefore x is equal to will be our, this portion is equal to will be our 1 divided by our 2. So 10 divided by 2, therefore x value will be our 5. Similarly y is equal to will be our, y divided by 6 is equal to our 1 divided by 2. Cross multiplication, then we are getting 6 divided by 2. So y value will be our 3. Therefore the required solution is x is equal to 5 and y is equal to our 3. After question number 8, now we will solve question number 9. Question number 9, it is equation number 1, this one is equation number 1 and this one is equation number 2. So from equation number 1, how it will be given? So 3 into u minus b, so we'll multiply 3 into u, so 3u. And minus, here it is our minus, this one plus, so plus minus minus. 3 into b will be our 3b. Then this side, our right hand side is our 13 plus b, so 13 when we are shifting this side it will be minus 13. b1 we are shifting our left hand side, so it will be our minus b. Now like term c, 3u no more like u are there, so same to same will be remain. b2 are there, both are minus, so minus minus plus 3, and here nothing means 1, so 3 plus 1 will be our 4b minus 13. So here only it is our equation finished. Now from the second equation, it is our given u minus b minus 4 is equal to our 22 minus 3u. So this one is equation number 2 our. We'll take out this one from the bracket, so it will be u minus b minus 4, 22 we are shifting our left hand side, so it will be our minus 22, and minus 3u, it is u, not 34, it is u. So 3u we are shifting to our left hand side, so it will be our plus 3u. Now we'll see which one is our like terms are there. So here it is our like term c, u, this one also u, both are positive, so 3 plus 1 will be our 4. b only 1, so same to same will be remain minus b. And this constant 2 are there, both are minus, so it will be our minus 26. 22 plus 4 will be our 26. Now here we will not write our x, y, z, we will write here u, b and 1. So From the equation 1 we are getting u coefficient is equal to our 3, b coefficient is equal to -4 and constant is our -13. From the equation 2, this one is our equation 2, from here u coefficient we are getting 4, b coefficient will be our -1 and constant is equal to our -26. Now we will apply our cross multiplication method. So u is equal to will be our u time our this u will be omit. Down top one is our -4, down one is our -26. So -4 into -26. Then formula minus, then down one into top one, -1 into our -13. Then our u work finished. Now b work. B time b1 will omit this one. Now down one into top one. Down our 4, top is our -13. So 4 into -13. Then formula minus, top one 3, down one -26. Then our 1, this one omit. Then top one into down one into top one. Now we multiply this one. So if we multiply -4 into our -26, so it will be our minus plus 104. Here 3 minus are there, minus. So it will be our minus. 13 into 1, 13. 4 into 13, 52 and plus minus. Minus and here minus, so plus. 26 into 3, 78. Minus 1 into 3 will be our -3 and minus will be our plus, so minus plus, and 4 into 4, 16. Now 104 minus 13 is equal to 91, minus 52 plus 78 is equal to 26, minus 3 plus 16 is equal to our 13. Now u value will be our u divided by 91 is equal to will be our 1 divided by 13. So we are getting this one. Next line will be our u is equal to 91 divided by 13 and 7 into 13 is equal to our 91. So we got u value is equal to our 7 and b divided by 26 is equal to 1 by 13. So b will be 26 divided by 13. So if we divide 26 by 13 it will be our 2. So b value will be our 2. Therefore the required solution is u is equal to 7 and b is equal to will be our 2. After question number 8 and 9, now we will do next question number and last maths in this exercise number 10. So equation number 1, a plus b into x is equal to 2c plus our a minus b into y. So here x value, this one is our y value and this one is our constant will be. So we will shift this one. So this equation will write first here, then see x1 first we will write here x, then y1 need to write. So y here before plus, so this side left hand side will be our minus a minus b into y. Then our plus 2ac, this one will be our minus 2ac is equal to this side, right hand side nothing remains, that means 0. Now from equation 2, this one is our equation number 2. So x it is our given right hand side, this one. So first of all we will write the equation, then this x will shift to our right. So this one if we shift our right hand side, so it will be our minus, because before it is our plus, here it is our plus sign, nothing means our plus. So it will be our minus a plus c into x. Then our y value same to same will be remain, because we are not shifting this one, this 2, so same to same will be remain, this one is equal to our 0. Now from equation number 1, x coefficient is our a plus b, y coefficient is equal to our minus a plus b, a minus b, and constant is equal to our minus 2ac. Full number, this one will be our constant. So it will be our minus 2ac. Similarly from equation 2 we will get our x coefficient is equal to our minus a plus c, y coefficient is equal to our a plus c, and constant is our here plus, it is plus 2ac. Now we will apply our cross multiplication method. So in cross multiplication method, x, y and constant. So this long for decision down I have written. If you are able to adjust in your page, then we will adjust, no problem. So here x time x will be omit. So top one into down one. So minus a minus b into 2ac. And then minus sign. This one is our formula minus. In between these two we need to give minus. Then down one into our top one. So x work finished our. Now y work. Y term y1 will be omit. So down one into our top one minus a plus c into our minus 2ac. Then formula minus, then top one into our down one. One time this one will be omit. Then top one into down one and down one into our top one. Now see, it is very interesting here. This one same to same will be remain. We will not change anything. So minus 2ac, because here minus there. So if we multiply, So minus will be it is minus 2ac into our a minus b. We are not multiplying full, just we are keeping this one. And here it is minus, this one also our minus, so minus minus will be our plus. Plus 2ac into will be our a plus c. Similarly here it is minus here also minus, so minus minus will be our plus. This one minus 2ac and this minus, so minus minus will be plus 2ac into our a plus c. And here it is minus, and before these two no any minus tenors are there, so minus will be remain our. So minus 2ac into will be our a plus b. 1c, this one, so a plus b into our a plus c, here nothing it is, and here c minus, this one minus, so minus minus plus, again here minus, so plus minus will be our minus, and a plus c into our a minus b. Now x1 c, x1 here 2ac, this one also 2ac, so 2ac we are able to take as common, so will be remain our what, this minus and a minus b. Then here it will be our 2ac already took common, so only remain our a plus c. Similarly in y time also 2ac we are able to take common, so will be remain our a plus c, and here minus sign, so minus a plus b. Similarly this portion c, from 1 what we are able to take common, what is similar is there in this pair also, in this pair also, a plus c. See, a plus c, it is our similar, in both pair it is there, so a plus c will take common, so what will be remain our a plus b, so a plus b, and minus this side minus and a minus b. Now this one will take out from the bracket, so minus here it is before a, nothing sign means plus, so plus minus will be our minus, and minus minus will be our plus b, and plus 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 only a, and plus 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 c it is our. This one also will take out from the bracket, so it will be our a plus c plus minus minus a plus minus minus b. This one also will take out from the bracket, so a plus b plus minus minus a minus minus plus b. Now which one is our able to cancel? This one will cancel this one. So it is our minus a, it is our plus a, it will be cancelled, so will be remain our b plus c only. Here also a will be cancelled, so will be remain our c minus b. Here a plus a, it is our minus, will be cancelled, so will be remain our 2b. Therefore our x is equal to will be x divided by our 2c into b plus c is equal to will be our this one 2b into our a plus c. Now x is equal to this portion will go top, and this one will be our remain down only. Now 2 will be cancelled and nothing will be cancelled, same to same will be remain, so it will be our ac divided by b, so 2 cancelled and remaining one only will be remain ac into our b plus c divided by our b into a plus c. y1 also same like this, y is equal to our what it is given c, y divided by our 2ac into our c minus b is equal to our 1 divided by 2b into a plus c. Therefore y is equal to will be our this portion top 2ac into our c minus b divided by this portion 2b into our a plus c. So here also 2 will be cancelled, will be remain our y is equal to will be our ac into our c minus b divided by will be our b into c plus a. Therefore the required solution is x is equal to our what is we got this one, and y whatever we got this one. So this exercise here finished. Next day we'll start our exercise 5D. Thank you. Have a nice day.